Welcome to Sprintzeal video on digital education technology in 2022. Introduction to digital education. Education technology can help to eliminate the barriers of providing quality education to all across the world. The education sector and the entities such as students, teachers, management, parents, etc., will gain the benefits more from the upcoming trends in education.
Artificial intelligence.
The tedious and boring tasks can be taken care by automation and the instructors can focus more on the complex ones.
Virtual reality and augmented reality. Blockchain. Gamification.
Like, share, subscribe to Sprintzeal.